My name is Omar Amri, and my question is, why does Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran in Surah Al-A'raf, verse 55, that He created the earth in 6 days, when in reality it was created in million of years?
Have you read in the Holy Quran, in the other verses, that Allah's one day is of 50,000 years?
I don't remember this.
Okay. And in another place Allah says, my one day is of 1,000 years. Even it can be more than that. You cannot limit Allah's days. So Allah's day is not this world's day. And even the day starts when the sun rises. When Allah Ta'ala was creating this world, the sun and moon and all the other planets and stars were also passing through the same process. We cannot see that He made the sun before He created the world. Right? Here 6 days means a period of time. In our commentaries, also elsewhere, in some of the commentaries it is written that Allah's day is the period of time. It can be of 50,000 years, it can be of 1,000 years, it can be 1,700 million years. So, if you just combine all these verses together, then you would be able to understand what does it mean. First thing is, you must know that Allah days is not the ordinary day. Secondly, here days mean the time period, not the day which starts from the rising of the sun. No, this is not the day, not our world's day. Now you understand?
Yes, I understood. Jazakumullah ahsan al-jaza.
Assalamu alaikum.